Do you know you can make Nigerian puff puff with only 3 ingredients? Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll share with you the easiest recipe on how to make yummy Nigerian puff puff. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. This is my mixing bowl and I'll proceed to add all the ingredients inside. I've gone in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I sifted the flour off camera. Always ensure that you sift your flour. To that, I'll go in with sugar. This is 1/4 cup of sugar, which is 1/4 cup. I also added 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt to balance the taste. And for flavor, I'll go in with nutmeg. I love using nutmeg whenever I'm making puff puff, but this is totally optional. Using my grater, I'll grate about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I've been doing this a lot so I can eyeball the measurements, but feel free to skip this entirely if you don't want it. After grating about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, I'll use my spatula to give the dry ingredients a good mix until they combine properly. And then I'll go in with my liquid. I'll be using water for today's recipe, and I'll be adding the water a little at a time. I'll continue to do this until I achieve my desired consistency. Adding the water gradually will help you to control the amount of water you add into your batter, and this will prevent you from ending up with a very runny batter, because if your batter is too runny, then you've successfully made yourself a pancake batter and not a puff puff batter. I'll keep adding the water until I achieve my desired consistency, which is not too runny and not too thick, somewhere in between. After mixing for a few minutes, this is what I have. As you can see from the video, the batter is very smooth and there are no lumps. The puff puff is ready to be fried, but I want to leave this for like 5 minutes. This is the first time I'll be making puff puff without using yeast. Baking powder is also a rising agent, so I'm expecting the baking powder to do its magic and make the puff puff to double in size. I want to see what happens after leaving this to rest for about 5 minutes. So I'll proceed to cover this up with a cling film and then set it aside. I'll be back in 5 minutes. If you are new to the channel, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you will love it here. Subscription is absolutely free and you get value for your time. So please do well to hit on that subscribe button because we'd love to have you here. Please guys, kindly follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. The handle to search for is Oge_Anioko on Instagram, Oge Anioko on Facebook and on TikTok. Please kindly follow me, watch my videos, like and share. Thank you. It's time to fry the puff puff and I'll add enough vegetable oil into my pot, because if you really want to enjoy puff puff, then you have to deep fry it. So while waiting for the oil to heat up, I'll go check on the puff puff batter. So this is what it's looking like. Nothing happened in 5 minutes. I didn't notice any difference, but I'll go on to give this a good mix and then proceed to mold and drop into my hot oil. Let me know in the comments if you like a tutorial on how to mold and drop puff puff into the hot oil. Always ensure that you regulate your heat once you've started dropping the puff puff into the oil. Try to set the heat to medium heat. It shouldn't be too high or too low. If it's too low, the puff puff will soak up oil and we don't want that. And if it's too high, the outer part of the puff puff will become overly brown while the inner parts will remain uncooked. So always ensure that you regulate the heat, and please try to stir continuously to ensure that all sides of the puff puff cook or fry evenly. The first batch is ready and I've taken it out from the hot oil. I'll proceed to introduce the second batch and I'll repeat exactly the same process as what I did with the first batch. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please hit on the subscribe button to be a part of this YouTube family if you're not already subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Signals to YouTube that this video is worth pushing out, so help the channel grow by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you. The second batch of puff puff is ready and it looks absolutely delicious. I'll open one of this puff puff and show you guys what it looks like. Have you tried making puff puff without using yeasts? What was the experience like? Let me know down in the comments. This is what it looks like and I think it looks very good. It looks yummy, right? Thank you for stopping by and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.